Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create multiple Shopify stores using one account from scratch in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the steps pretty much remain the same. They haven't changed much since they've updated the interface for Shopify. So the idea is you guys would first want to log into your Shopify account as an administrator, like I have here. So here's what my dashboard looks like. And the idea is we would get access to the settings tab. So the settings tab can be found on the bottom left corner of the screen. So it's this little option right here. And from here, you guys would want to click on. Actually, you can do this from the home page. So the idea is we would click your profile icon, which would be on the top right corner of the screen. So it's this one right here. And then the idea is we would click on all stores. So what's going to happen is this is going to redirect you to a new page where you have the option to create a new store. So it's pretty straightforward from here on out. Just click on create a new store and configure it to how you want. You could set it as a new store from scratch or in an online version for a retail store IRL. So let's just do this. Hit next. Select our format or business model. So we can do one for an online store plus an online marketplace that's integrated to Etsy, Amazon, and other platforms. Social media, in person, whatever. Hit next. Select our products. So it could be stuff that we create ourselves. NFTs, so digital products, music, pictures, and whatnot. Dropshipping, POD or print on demand, and so on. And we can set our country and region for it too. Once we've made our selection, hit next. And here we are. Shopify is going to generate our store from scratch using their system. So this will all be effectively under one account. And you can seamlessly switch in between the two. So that's pretty cool. So you can see that the store ID I have for my main store for Core Dynamics Tech would be a B1379D F1. While this one is DD83D488. And to switch, just make your selection here. So this one's actually the new one. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, that's honestly all there is to it. So let me go refresh the page and see. Okay, so it's still the main store. And if you want to switch, just simply click on that. And this is all for free. So that's pretty cool. You guys can switch seamlessly between the two stores that you're managing, have different products for it, have different branding, and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.